Hey, welcome YouTube viewers. 2008 Mazda S, doing a complete strut replacement. Easy job for you to do it yourselfers. I'm doing brakes too, so I got all the brakes and the calipers are off. Let's turn the light on. All the brakes are out of the way. I'm not showing that job, but we're gonna walk through this. Calipers hanging on a hook back here to make you happy. 17 millimeter bolt in the bottom. You gotta take a little sliding clip right out of here, and that releases the brake hose and put off to the side. Over here you got the ABS wire connected to that right there. You gotta slide it out of the connector right there and lay it to the side. And that's probably a 14 right there. So let's start taking this thing apart. Alright, there's a little sway bar link in the bracket. Set this off to the side. That's going to probably just pop right out of there. Just tap it a little bit. There we go. Going out to the bottom bolt. I'm only going to show one side. Show both sides. Anyway. Take that pinch bolt out. You tap it with a hammer right here. Slide that strut right out of there. Or at least we hope it will. If that doesn't work, famous saying is get a bigger hammer. I don't even think that's going to work. Okay. Well, we can always try to separate that pinch bolt a little bit. Let's try that. We'll make a pinch bolt or a pinch tool to relieve some of the pressures in these, but if I do that, I'm not going to get that sucker out of there. So we'll go back to our hammer. Try not to hit the ABS line. It moved a tiny bit. Could heat it up with a torch. I don't want to hit that wire. Busy, live on video. Trying to keep that wire. Byron, can you hold that while you're holding the camera? Okay, it's out of there. It's gonna loosen the top. So let me lower it down. I'm gonna go ahead and show the other side, bottom half, and then we'll do the top. Then we'll put in one side, and then we'll be done. So anyway, bottom bolt. Like I said, the 17 mil. 14 up top. Guy, not now. Oh, got the bracket. All right, so we get that hammer back out again. The new one should go in there easier. We're shooting some BG Enforce ion activated penetrating oil. Keep my hands right together. He's almost out. All right, that's out of there. You always want to do the bottom first before you do the top, because if you're beating on that, the strut will fall down on you. You won't have any way to knock it down. Let's let the car down. That's because I let the lock out. Not now. Okay, so you got the top bolts here. 14 mil. I'm just going to set them up here. Wow. See that? Can't quite get in there. All right, no problem. We'll go this route. Okay, you got that out. You got a plate up top, goes on one direction. Right there. Set it right there. Now back to our strut. I'm just going to lean down underneath here, Byron. Should be able to lift it a little bit. Actually, got caught back in there a little bit. The other side would have been easier to pull out. Here we get a pry bar. Lift it up a little bit. Let's see if we can slide the pry bar in here. Bring the lower control arm down, so there we go. And that sucker fell right back down into that slot. Chris, lean on that. So you're going to lean on that pry bar, and we'll lift, and we'll pull out. Byron, get a shot of that new part number strut, please. There is a left and a right side, I believe.
This is the right side part number.
Okay.
And the left side.
All right, so we'll slide this one back up in there. This is prying down on my lower control arm. And it is going to be directional on the top plate, I believe. Just like that. More? a half inch.
You get to the edge.
Okay. That should be all right for a second. We'll go back up top after you get it kind of set in there. Put your plate on. Oh, and pry down again. Chris. Ease up. Go ahead, ease up. Got it, good. All right, well, they did give us new nuts, or bolts. Let's get those. I really kind of like the old ones better. I do. I'm gonna use the old ones. I don't like these new ones. Okay, let's run the ones we can down on there. All right, let's go back down on one side. I'll take it up. So we pry down the lower control bar so we can get that in there easier. Take on right here. Let's see if it'll slide back up in there easier than it came out. Usually I'll cut the paint off of it. In this case I did not, so. We'll keep tapping until we get that all the way up. Line the bolt in there. I'm not going to show you my pain and suffering going through all that. Put our hose back on, put our piece back on here. Tighten everything up and throw our brakes together, put a wheel on, it'll be a done deal. So there you are, the struts on 2008 Mazda 3 Sportster. Wow, real fast one. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again soon.